Assalamu alaikum, my dear children. I'm here with the second lesson revision, that is houses we live in. In this lesson, we are gonna focus on just the main points. So let's get started. We all know that we live in different houses, right? And every room is used for different things, like bedroom is used for sleeping, dining room is used for having the different meals like the breakfast, lunch, and dinner, and living room is used for watching the television and chatting with our friends and family, right? So every room has its own use. Next, what is a home, children? A home is nothing but a house where we live in is called our home. जिस घर में आप रहते हैं, that is called as home. Okay, so being at home makes us feel comfortable and safe. Whenever we are at home, we feel very safe and comfortable, isn't it? What is the meaning of safe? Safe means out of danger, right? Our homes protect us from the heat, cold, and rain. It also keeps us safe from dirt and dust. So our homes will protect us from many things, children. What is the meaning of protect? Protect means keeping safe. Okay, so our homes, it will protect us from many things like the heat, cold, rain, dirt, and dust. Okay, whenever it rains, if we stay indoors, we get protected, right? Whenever the weather will be very cool, we stay indoors and we feel very safe and comfortable, right? And not only the homes protect us from heat, cold, and rain, but also it protects us from dirt and dust. Okay, next, in villages and cities. What is a village, children? Village means gaon, in which not large number of people live there. Okay, and what is a farmhouse? Farmhouse means house on a farm is called as the farmhouse. Look at the picture here. This is the example of the farmhouse. Okay, so in the farmhouse, how it will be, children? There will be open fields and there will be many pets. Look at the picture here, and every pet will have their own shelter. So this usually you will find near the villages only. Okay, next, cities. We have so many people living on different floors of a building, said Joy. So in cities you will find the tall buildings, children, right? And people build different kinds of houses in different places. Mostly they build their houses with the things found nearby. So the people will build the different kinds of houses, children. Some will be first floor, G plus 1, that is ground plus first floor. Some will be multi-story. Multi-story means what? Many people living on different floors of the same building is called as a multi-story building. Okay, this is the example of the multi-story, children. Okay, look at the picture here. Ground floor plus first floor, second floor, third floor. So there are three floors plus ground floor. Okay, this is called as a multi-story building. So in this building, many people can live, isn't it, on the different floors. And so a few people, they will build this type of house, just it will be the ground floor. Okay, so these type of houses you can find in the cities. Okay, next, in cities buildings are mostly made of bricks and cement. These are called pakka houses. Okay, what is a pakka house? Pucca. Pakka house means the house that is made up of bricks and cement. Okay, जो घर bricks और cement से बनता, that is called as the pakka house. And pakka houses will be found in the cities mostly. In villages, houses are mostly made of mud, straw, and thatch. These are called kacha houses. Okay, so in villages you will find the kacha houses, children. Kacha house means what? The house which is not strong. Okay, which will be very weak, and that houses will be made up of mud, straw, and thatch. मिट्टी के घरों से मिट्टी के घर रहते गांव में, एंड इट विल बी मेड अप ऑफ स्ट्रॉ एंड थैच ऑल्सो. सूखे घास फूस, झाड़ के सूखे पत्ते, they use these things to build the kacha house. Okay, so that is why we are calling it as kacha house. Why? Because it will be not very strong. Pakka houses will be very strong, children. Why? Because it will be made up of bricks and cement. Pakka houses will be found in the cities, and kacha houses will be found in the villages. Okay, next, houses around the world. Let's learn the different kinds of houses. Okay, first one is stilt. Places where it rains a lot, people build this type of houses. Okay, and these type of houses are called as stilts. And what is stilt, children? House that is built on the legs. Okay, that stand on legs like this. It is called as stilts. Next is the houseboat. It's very easy. Look at the picture here. The people build houses on boats, and that are called as houseboats. Okay, and those are called as houseboats. They float on water and can be taken from one place to another. So they are houses that are built on the boat now, so it can be moved from one place to another. And next is igloo. Igloo will be found in the places where it snows a lot. Okay, and igloos are made up of blocks of ice. That is called as the igloo. Next is the tents. Tents are houses made by people who move from place to place or for camping outdoors. Tents can be put up anywhere. They are made of a strong cloth called canvas. Look at the picture here. This is called as the tent. Okay, so tents are made up of canvas, children. Canvas is a type of cloth. It will be very strong. And the people who love to do camping, they will use these tents. Okay, and these tents can be moved from one place to another. Next is the caravan. Look at the picture here. This is the caravan. Okay, houses which have wheels are called caravans. So it is looking like a bus, children, but if you open the door and you look inside, there will be a house inside. So that is why houses on wheels are called as caravans. Next is teepees. Sometimes houses are made of long poles of wood and animal skin. These houses are called teepees. So what is teepees, children? The house that is made up of long poles. Okay, long poles of wood, लंबे बम्बू से बने हुआ रहता, and with the animal skin. That type of house is called as teepees. And teepees can be folded and carried easily. These were used by the Native Americans in the past. So they can be folded and carried easily, children. So these are the different kinds of houses that we can see around the world. Next is taking care of our homes. We have to take care of our home, right? How? Let's find out that. Keep windows open to let sunlight in. Okay, so you have to open your windows and let the sunlight in, so that you will get the fresh air and your house will be free of germs. Next, dust the rooms. Dusting rooms means what? धूल साफ करना. Okay, next, keep shoes in places. You have to keep shoes in their places. Not only the shoes, but also you have to keep everything in their own places. Next, scribble on wall. You should not scribble on the walls. Scribbling means what? Drawing or writing something on the walls is called as scribbling. So if you do that, your walls look so ugly, isn't it? So you do not scribble on walls. Throw garbage in garbage cans. What is garbage? Kachra. So whatever the garbage you have to throw that in the garbage cans only. Do not throw here and there. Put used dishes in the sink after a meal. After having a meal like breakfast, lunch or dinner, you have to carry the dishes to the sink. Okay, so in this by this way you have to take care of your homes. Okay, if you don't clean your house regularly, what will happen, children? Slowly your house becomes so untidy, and it will be full of germs that will cause the diseases. Okay, so you have to keep your homes clean and tidy. Okay, let's have a glance over the complete lesson. Our houses protect us from heat, cold, rain, and from dust and dirt. Houses keep us safe and comfortable. People use different kinds of things found nearby to make their houses. Whatever the things material is available in their places, they will use that material to make the houses, children. Okay, and in villages, houses are made of mud, thatch, and straw. They are called as kacha houses. In cities, houses are made of cement and bricks, and they are called as pakka houses. What are different kinds of houses we have seen? Houseboats, igloos, tents, caravans, teepees, stilts, isn't it? These are the kinds of houses, right? Well, that's it, children. It was the end of our second lesson revision, that is houses we live in. We'll catch up in the next video with the next lesson revision. Till then, stay safe, stay connected. Allah Hafiz.